Hey traders, both pros and beginners, I'm here to teach you about price pattern. You would have seen big traders using it to cash out big, but right now I'm here to teach you how to use it to cash out yourself so you can be among the winning team. Alright, let's get down into it.
And look at the charts. This now is all the question you ever asked about it. Now let's get down to it. These are the two very important price pattern. Okay, they are very important reversal price pattern. When you see it, just know this is about to reverse. This, look at it. This is called the double top, which can also be called the hem pattern. This is called the double bottom, which can also be called the W pattern. Head and shoulder pattern. This is it. And this is the inverse head and shoulder. Let me write it. Inverse. Inverse head and shoulder. These patterns are mainly used for reversal. But first, before we get down into this, you have to know what is price pattern. Price pattern is a shape created by price movement on a chart that traders use to predict what might happen next. When you see this, now they are able to predict that okay, the price is going to reverse. What they are looking at in the market is going to reverse. I'm going to show you all this in the chart. Okay, I'm going to show you with real candlesticks, with the real chart pattern. But right now, try and understand what I'm saying over here. Why does it repeat? This pattern you see, you are going to see it. People used it to make a lot of money in the past. People use it to make a lot of money in the present. And people will still use it to make a lot of money in the future because it never changes. Human emotions never change. It keeps repeating. And it guarantees profit if you know and understand it. Nothing is 100%. Nothing is guaranteed 100%. But there is an high probability of you making it over and over again. Now, double top. As you can see, it consists of buyers trying to push the market twice. Try to push the market twice at this point, this price point. Let me mark it. Buyers try to push the market past this price point twice. But what happened? It couldn't. So sellers took control, then pushed the market down. Yeah. Sellers tried to push the market down twice, but it couldn't pass this price range. It couldn't pass it. Then what happened? Buyers pushed the market up. Yeah, it's the same. The only difference between this head and shoulder and double top is that buyers tried to push the market 3 times at the range. It couldn't pass this range. Let me put it. Oh, put it there so you can see. It couldn't pass this range. Couldn't cross it. Couldn't break it. Then what happened? It reversed. When I say reversal pattern, it reverses. Then the market keeps going. The same here. They couldn't break this. Then what happened? It reversed. Buyers took control. Sellers got weakened. Then what happened? Buyers took control and reversed. I'll show you all this in the market. Now, you need to also know what a neckline is. A neckline is that trend line you use to connect the high and low. Look, this is a low, let's connect it, and is used mainly for the confirmation of that price pattern. Now that is double topped, for it to confirm that it's valid, it has to cross it. Once it crosses it like this, you know, oh, it's valid. The same here, it has to cross it. Once it crosses it, you know, okay, now the head and shoulder is valid. The same here. You can see where I'm putting the neckline. That is it. It is not where price couldn't break. It's where it was reversing to. It's where it is reversing to. Once it breaks it, you know that okay, the pattern has been confirmed, it's valid. Now, how to use it to make money? How to use it for entry? There are two types of trader. There's an aggressive trader and the trader that waits for confirmation. Look at this M pattern. No, let's use this double bottom. An aggressive trader won't wait for it to break. Once they see this pressure, this buying pressure, they enter into the market. They enter into the market straight away. Once they see it, the same here. The same here. Once they see the selling pressure, they enter into the market. Same here. The head and shoulder hasn't been valid, but when they see that pressure, that selling pressure, they enter into it. Same with this, the inverse too. Now, the traders that wait for confirmation. I'm going to show you all this in the chart, but first of all, understand it here. I want you to understand it here so you will know what I'm saying when I enter into the chart. Now, traders, they wait for it to break. They know, oh, now it's valid. What do they wait for? They wait for a pullback. Once it goes up, they wait for this pullback. Then continuation. It continues. Okay. It continues. Let me cancel it. Let me show you here. Yeah. Pullback. Continue. What did he do? He broke the neckline. Then what did he do? It went to that position, then continued. It keeps going. Do you understand it? Watch it over and over again, then you understand. The double top at the resistance level, the double bottom at the support level. Okay? The double top when you see a trend, a bullish trend. Then on top, that's when you see the double top, you know that oh, this is a reversal pattern. Then it wants to reverse. I'm telling you, these are the positions you need to see it. You need to go and learn support and resistance and how to use your trend line. It will help you a lot. But that's not the top, that's not what I'm talking about. As you can see, it's the same here. Let's go down. It's the same. It crosses it. Okay, now what they do? They wait for this, a retest, a pullback, then continuation. 1:2, 1:3. Now we are done with all this. Head and shoulder, you find it at the resistance in a bullish trend. Then the inverse, you find it at the support in a downtrend. Read all this. When you read all this, then come back to this page, keep listening to it, then you understand it better. Now let's go into the main thing, into the chart. What do you see here? It's not that looking at it in the market doesn't mean to be exactly like M. You have to just be able to sight it with your eyes. What do you see here? This is the what? Double bottom. Then when you see the double bottom forming, what did you do? You put your neckline. Your neckline, this is where you put your neckline. I showed you. If you're an aggressive trader, you don't put your neckline. This is it. The problem about this aggressive trading is not every time it will work out. Except you are very good, you know when to use it. See. And if you are the types that wait for confirmation because you need an higher chance of winning, see it. See it. Let's make it straight. This is the neckline. This is the neckline over here. You touched it. Then when you touch, what do? You play your game. See, you can see it keeps going. But in a safer side, put it at this what? Resistant level. That's where you always put your stop loss. Resistant level. Move it. You can move 20 pips down, 30 pips down for stop loss. Use good risk management. Because this is a very good example. Now let me see if I will see for. Oh, this is another one. What do I see here? Double bottom. You find it where at the downtrend, at where the support level. Then what do? You see the retest. You can wait for the retest. You can do the retest. See, there are two retests here. What do you do first before that? The neckline. Okay, it breaks above. Wait for the retest. 1:2. As you can see, 1:2. Look, it came down, retested. You can wait for this retest too. See, where did it go to? See, this one would have done it, would have taken your profits. That's why I just say you wait for that. Look for all those key levels. Put at the key levels. Resistant level. Make your money. What do you wait? 1:3. This one you have to take it for. But this one now, if you are taking this one, you could have waited for it to what? Keep going. Keep going up. Now let's see if I'll find head. Oh, I've seen it just now. It's always showing, it's always repeating. Head and shoulder. Oh, look at this. That's M. Double top. That I saw over there. See M. Double top. Push down. Reversed. Double top. Reversed. Look at it here. See. Look at M. Not every time it will pull back. But look. Okay, this bad. That's bad art. As long as you understand what I'm saying. In a smaller time frame, it's bigger. Skills, what did you do? You reversed, retest, reversed. Reversed. Let's see if I'm looking for head and shoulder. Let's look for those inverts, head and shoulder. Or head and shoulder himself. Look, this now. Look at it. All this will push you closer. Won't you make money? Is this not something for you to make money? You will make money in the market. Then what do you do here? You wait for a retest. Look at the retest here. Wait for a retest. You do. Place your trade. Place your trade. What do you do? Place your trade. Over this, all this keep happening. This, look, this is even a empire. This is W. The lower time frame, I'm sure it shows this is a W retest here. This is a retest. Then it keeps going. You can see the pattern. It's not like you're not seeing the pattern. Before you neckline, this is where you put your neckline. What did you do? You got to your neckline, you crossed it, retest. Doesn't need to cross a retest. Bam. See, this one will show 6. Over and over and over again. Neckline. Neckline. Connect it. This is the neckline. I've done this over and over again. Now you can see what I'm talking about. It's always showing. It's always repeating. It will keep repeating itself. To always keep repeating itself. That is how you enter and that is how you trade. With this. These are the most important. Yes, other ones are good too. There are different types, you can go and learn it. But the ones that I know I've used that works, this is it. That works almost every time. This is it here. Double top, double bottom, head and shoulder, and inverse head and shoulder. Okay. If you know you like this video, subscribe, because I'll do more videos like this. Different ways of making money in the market. Alright. Thank you. Later.